Guys, the hype is so real today as we sit here in the Supercar Street Racing kitchen. Pay no attention to that, because that does not equate to what is happening today. Because today, although we have the window open because the temperature is fantastic today in the 70s in Jacksonville, we have a package here from On that was dropped off, and we're going to be unboxing that today on the station. Stay with us. I'm hyped. Ladies and gentlemen, sitting before me looking ever so fresh in this nice recycled box here from the company On. Yet another On product to add to the Supercar Street Racing closet. And the shoe rack we have today, the Cloudrift. These are the Cloudrifts in size US 9, and they are in white and cobalt. I have not opened them yet. They just came out of the bigger box where they've been sitting here on the Supercar Street Racing table waiting for you guys to unbox. So let's take a look at that right now. This cardboard box condom hides within it some Cloudrift white cobalt that I am super excited about getting and trying on for you guys. And inside this box we have a nice looking packaging here from On, and also lets you know right here that this is 100% recycled cardboard, guys. So get hyped about the environment right now. And then right here, right now, we got the Cloudrift in white and cobalt to be unboxed right in front of your eyes, and those are looking so fresh to death today on the channel. Very nice looking shoes already. I can tell these are pretty cool. They're like a light gray here, a white down at the bottom, and the cobalt would be this stripe right here. And if you flip it over, you've got a little bit of cobalt action there as well for your enjoyment. And inside of that, they have these wonderful shoe things that help them from getting deformed. We will throw those there. I have not yet had an On shoe that didn't fit me very well. No issues with width. I have problems with width on shoes, but Puma, whatever you want to call them, give me more issues than On. So far, On have been flawless on the width with my weird feet action happening. And so inside of this protective thingy, we now have some more fuel to burn in the Supercar Street Racing fire pit. And here we have the beautiful On Cloudrift. Looking amazing. Once again, you can get these right now on clearance. These are last year's model. So they are available now on the On site for a lower price. This video is not sponsored. On does not send me free shoes, unfortunately. That'd be amazing, but it does not happen in my life. But here's a good look at the back. Kind of a grayish thing there, and you can see the cobalt and white splits up right there, and then you have this nice black piece on the bottom. It says the On Speedboard there. There's the nice On chicken logo, what I call it. And then up top you have these lovely On flat shoelaces and a nice perforated area right there, as well as right here for your shoe to breathe. And then here's the other one looking so fly, and on the side it says Swiss Engineering and has the little Swiss cross there. Nice looking shoes with the little Cloud logo right there and the little On logo up on the top. And this is how they look sitting fresh to death on the table. The On Cloud Swift in cobalt and white. Available now for sale on the On shoe website. It'll be a link in the description because these are last year's model and they are selling them 20% off right now, I think it is, which is not a bad deal. These are one of the best shoes made. They are high quality and they are very nice shoes, and if you can get them for under the stock price, you're doing good. Let's get them tried on and see how they feel. We are in the Supercar Street Racing compound in the Supercar Street Racing living room now with the On Cloud Swift in cobalt and white, and today we have on the brand new Asics, and these are my workout shoes, so I had those on from working out, and I am going to be removing these and not trying to show you my gross feet, but at the same time we are going to be trying on these On Cloud Swift, and already they feel a lot lighter than the ones I had before, and putting them on with one hand will be fun and challenging. And they go on really easily. They are definitely unlaced, which I like that. I leave them like that. My feet are very weird. I have bunions and issues, so anything I can do to relieve the pressure on my feet makes me happy. And we have on the Cloud Swift, and wow, they feel great. So comfortable. Let's get up and take a walk with these guys in the Supercar Street Racing compound. Yes, these are amazing. On just has the best shoes I think I've ever bought in my life, and they look great, they feel great. I don't use them for exercising, although I'm thinking about buying one of their top-end running shoes so that when I do, I have the best available. The Asics are cheap, $50 shoes. These are upwards of $150 when you get them on sale. More than that when they are brand new. And since this is last year's model, you can get them now cheaper. If they have your size, you've got to go on there and get your correct size because they sell out very quickly. A little bit of squeak from them, but that's because they're loose right now. They're not laced up. And if they're not laced up, that tends to make the squeaking noise, which you're hearing underneath my feet. But yeah, these are awesome. They feel really good. They're super comfortable. Got no issues at all with these. I love them. I would say that for the price, these things are amazing. If you can grab your size right now, you need to get on there and get it while it's hot. I'll get it up on the screen here in a minute when we go into the 4K production studio. So let me get the price for you guys and I'll tell you how much I paid for these. All right, we got the invoice right here. These were on sale for $119.99 right now in size 9. The On Cloudrift in white and cobalt, coming in this fabulous recyclable container. There's the On white and cobalt there, size 9 male. And now let's get these guys where they belong in the Supercar Street Racing closet with the rest of the goodies. Back in the Supercar Street Racing compound closet, and you can see we have deposited the On Cloud Swifts to their final resting place here on the shelf, and I love the way, compared to the other shoes, they have this black strip right here. Notice the other ones do not have that at all. These guys are looking so fly. That really like that design. Compare that to the Roger here, and you can see this little black stripe with the Swiss engineering thing there. Not all of them have that, as you can see. Only the right shoe has it on all of them. The left shoe does not. There's another set of Rogers right there, another set of Rogers there. But yeah, guys, this shoe rack is looking hot with over $1,000 worth of On shoes there. And then over here we have the Puma rack, looking so fly. And so I have a choice now of what I want to wear. If I want to go with the On shoes, I go here. If I want to go with the Puma shoes, I rotate this way, and then we have that looking so fly. And we will now go to Supercar Street Racing Studios with Brad. Welcome back to the 4K production studio. I'm Brad, and as you can see right here behind me and beside me, we are out here in the beautiful studio bringing you guys high quality production and looking at some pretty cool products. And today we are looking at the On Cloudrift shoes that we got on the On website directly from them. They are Swiss engineered shoes, and we have the website up right now. So I want to show you guys exactly how to find these. So these are last season shoes, so they have new models, so you can get these cheaper. So here we are on running.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And if we click shop here, you can see that we can click men, women, kids, all that. So we do men, and then when it drops down, we go to last season here, and that will give you the ones that are on discount. And now on last season, you can see here that they have the Cloud 5 Terry here, the Roger still available, the Cloud Swift undyed, the Cloud 5 ready, the Cloud 5 undyed, and then here's the Cloudrift, the ones I ordered, which are pretty awesome. Here's the Cloud Tracks, the Cloud 5 combo, Cloud undyed, Cloud easy, Cloud Wander waterproof, and the list goes on and on. Now the issue here is going to be finding your size, because a lot of the sizes are sold out as they start deeper discounting these shoes. For example, I think we could actually put the size in here if it'll let us, maybe. It will not let us do the size, so you do have to click on the actual shoe. However, we are clicked on men. Now you can also just go to shoes by clicking that. All right, now we're only looking at shoes, and let's go to the Cloud 5 Terry and see if they have our size. And so if we click it right there, they do have the Cloud 5 Terry in my size, and you would want to log in and then shop. But going back to something like the Roger, some of these shoes you're going to find that they don't have the colors that you might want. I'll show you, for example, if we go to the Roger. So that's the Roger Clubhouse Mid. Let's see if they have any more Rogers. Okay, I'm unable to locate the regular Roger. Let's see. All right, they have the center court, which I have a pair of, which these things are awesome. And if we click that, you're probably going to see that they're missing a lot of the sizes. So see here, only 7.5, 12.5, and 14 are actually available in the Roger center court. So I would not be able to buy that because I am a size 9 shoe. But something like the Cloud 5, let's see if they have that in my size. They do not. And see, also, it depends on the color. If you click the colors here, they might have your shoe, like they do have my size in the red, and it's actually called, let's see, what is that color called? It is called Ruby and Rust. As you can see right here, it shows you the colors. So these are available in my size. And so are these. These are the olive. They are available in my size. The black are as well. So there's a lot of the Cloud 5 left on the site. So go ahead and get yourself over to onrunning.com and see if they have your size. And guys, we really appreciate you hanging out with us in the 4K production studio. Make sure when you buy from Amazon, you click through our links. If you buy On Running shoes, use my link in Amazon. If you buy anything on Amazon, click through any of my links. It doesn't have to be the product that we featured or the product in the link. If you click through my link, it gives me a very small commission and allows me to keep the channel going. Guys, we appreciate you so much, and we will see you next time. I am peace out of her.